Hello everyone, this is Simran Rajpal
Hello, this is Apurv Thakur.
and you're watching JagranJosh. As we know, the Meghalaya Board Class 10th result or the MBOSE SSLC result is out now. And as we know, the passing percentage has improved drastically. In 2024, if we talk about the overall passing percentage was 55.80%, whereas this year it is 87.10%. So there is a drastic change, or you can say drastic increase in the passing percentage. Let's talk to Apoorv and ask him about the reasons, that what can be the possible reasons, or what are the possible reasons because of which this percentage has improved drastically.
So, hello guys. So, this year, as we can see, the passing percentage has, improved drastically. I mean, from a difference of 25 to 30%, I
25 to
guess.
30%,
So, it is
yes.
a big number. It is a very big difference, and I think it is all the result of the hard work of the students and also of the government, but especially the students. The government provides many schemes and initiatives through scholarships and other programs, through giving them knowledge and skills, and it's the student who has implemented everything. So I
Correct.
think they have worked very hard, very hard, and it is their dedication and how much they are complied towards study and education. I think this is the reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and the government, I would like to add on something into it. The government has some scholarship schemes,
Yeah.
some, some scholarships, some schemes to promote education in the state.
Yes.
Like as we discussed yesterday, they have a particular scheme for the SC/STs. They have scholarship programs for the students in the state. And if we talk about the results are officially out now,
Yeah.
and I'm sure most of the students must have seen it. But if you haven't checked it now still you have the time. You can simply go to the official websites, DigiLocker, SMS, or on our jagranjosh.com/results, this website, and get your scores. So first of all, if you've already checked your results, we would like to discuss the details mentioned in your scorecard. Number 1 is candidate name. Number 2 is roll number. Number 3 is subject code and name. Second is marks obtained. Next is total marks and the qualifying status, that is pass or fail.
Fail.
And if we subject code and name, then marks obtained in theory and practicals, total marks obtained, and percentage of marks obtained. So these are some details which are mentioned in your scorecard, or you can say your result. Apoorv, I would request you to discuss the pass percentage in regular 2 category.
Yeah. So, before discussing the passing percentage, I would like the viewers to know that you can check your websites through numerous ways. The most basic one is you can go to the government websites. You can check your marks from there. The other is through DigiLocker app. You mention your details, you will get your result. And the third, you can check the results on JagranJosh.com. And I don't think Meghalaya government has that through
The
SMS. They don't
SMS,
have
they
that.
have added
They
it.
have that.
They have added.
Okay, you can also check your result through SMS. We'll provide with you with the information.
Okay.
And
Let's
Simran, you
move
were
to
talking
the
about
regular 2 category, as you
Yeah.
can see on the screen.
Yeah. So this year the passing percentage stands at 87.10%, and last year it was 55.80%. Yeah.
Yes. So, as you can see the details, that the overall passing percentage in the regular 2 category is 85.9, because
5.9.
in Meghalaya we have like different divisions, that, like in general, regular 2, regular 1, we have SCs, STs.
Yeah.
So I would request you, can you please share the data with the
Sure.
viewers
Yeah,
about
sure.
the regular 2 category?
Yeah, sure. So as my friend Simran said, the total passing percentage for regular 2 students stands at 85.99%. So now we'll break down the data for you. Now first come to the males part. So a total of 6,567 males appeared for the exam in regular 2 category. A total of 6,567 males appeared for the exam, out of which 4,427 passed, and the passing percentage stands at 85.04%. Now let's talk about the females. A total of 9,465 females appeared for the exam, out of which 6,291 passed, and the passing percentage stands at 86.64 percentage. Now, if you talk about the total number, a total of 16,032 students appeared for the exam under Section 2, out of which 10,718 passed the exam, and the passing percentage stands at 85.99%. Yeah, so that is the breakdown of the category 2 students who appeared for the exam.
Okay, as we discussed the regular two category
Regular two.
results, Apurv,
Yeah.
there are some students who were not able to pass the exams. We will come to regular one category also and other categories also. But before that, if because of any reason, if you are unable to pass your exam or your exam was not cleared or you fail in one or two subjects, you have an option. You can simply opt for the compartment exams. They will be held in, the official dates have not been announced yet, but they will be held in either in this month or in May. That is the coming month.
Yeah.
So stay updated about the official notifications, and as soon as we get any notification on this, we'll update you as well. And for the students who are not satisfied with their marks, they also have an option called as scrutiny or re-evaluation, and you can apply for re-evaluation in like coming 5 days. 5 days, like today your result has been declared, and in the coming 5 working days you can apply for re-evaluation or scrutiny. So make sure you complete the process 1 or 2 days prior, because you know, it's better to take the things in advance rather than waiting for the last moment and coming into any trouble, right?
Yeah. So now let's talk about the top 3 rank holders, Simran.
Okay.
Okay, so at first position we have Leisha Agarwal. She has scored 582 marks out of 600. Leisha Agarwal. At second, sorry, there are 2 people at first rank. First is Leisha Agarwal. Her score is 582. At second, we have Avila Catherine P. Lingdo. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. Avila has scored 582 again. At second, we have Ivanshan Nongrum with 578 marks. And again on second position, we have Puri Pandey. She has scored 578 marks.
Correct.
On third, we have Anshu Mitra Chaudhary with 576 marks. Again, I'm reminding, these marks are out of 600. Okay. And on again third, we have Saurav Pandey with 576 marks. And there is one more student at rank third. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong again. Yulo Jimin Rilin L. Suiting with 576 marks.
Okay, so these were the
toppers of the exam.
The top 3 rank holders.
Yeah.
Obviously, we have we have sharing toppers or the shared toppers for each and every rank, like till rank 3. So now let's come to district-wise pass percentage. So if we talk about East Garo Hills, the overall passing percentage is 80.31%. If we talk about West Garo Hills, 80.50%. Then comes South Garo Hills, that is 88.32%. If we come to North Garo Hills, that is 75.76%. If we talk about Southwest Garo Hills, that is 74.77%. If we talk about East Khasi Hills, that is 92.54%. Now let's come to West Khasi Hills, 90.50%. Next is Eastern West Khasi Hills, that is 95.54%. Then comes Southwest Khasi Hills with 94.93%. Then we have Riboi with 89.33%. Then we have West Jaintia Hills with 96.03%. And in West Jaintia Hills, the overall passing percentage is maximum, like it is number 1 district if we talk about the number of students who have passed. Then we have East Jaintia Hills, the overall passing percentage was 92.40, and the grand totals, this is how the grand total becomes 87.10% for the entire state.
Yeah.
Over to you, Purv.
So yeah, this passing percentage overall is 87.10. So as we have discussed earlier also, that this is a very, there is a very gradual change in the passing percentage, a change of around 20 to 25%.
25 to 30%.
Yeah. This is a very big change. It shows the commitment of the students in Meghalaya, of the different districts. And apart from that, as I've said again and again, it is the commitment of the students and the commitment of the government in promoting the education sector. These schemes give a push to the education sector in the region. And especially Meghalaya is in the northeast, and many of the northeastern states have a majority population of SCs and STs. So the government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the government of India, has uh, focused on
Providing
providing
quality
students quality
education.
education, especially to the students of SCs and STs. The government also has many different schemes apart from the general students. They have different schemes for the SCs and STs also, like the Meghalaya Government Scholarship Act, which mainly focuses on the SCs, STs, OBCs, and the economically backward classes. So yeah, the gradual change is because of the commitment of the students and the commitment of the
The
government
government.
towards giving education a push in the state.
Correct. And if we talk about the pass percentage
Yeah.
in the regular one category, the passing percentage in the regular one category stands at 94.87%. Now, let's discuss the male and female data. So, the number of students who appeared were 12,417. The number of students who passed the exam, male students who passed the exam in regular one category, are 11,795. Hence, the overall passing percentage in regular category 1 for male becomes 95.32%. If we come to the
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Simran. The total number of students passed is 10,535. What you just mentioned was declared. The total number of
oh, I'm
passed
so
are, yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
so sorry,
yeah,
I'm
sure.
so sorry.
Continue with that, Simran.
Okay, so if we talk about the females, so the number of students who appeared was 17,558. The number of students, female students who passed in the regular one category are 14,191,
Yes.
and hence the pass percentage stands at 94.55% for the females in the regular one category for the MBOSE SSLC result, and hence the grand total becomes, for appeared students, it's 29,975. If we talk about how many students passed the exam, the data is 24,726, and hence the overall, or you can say the total pass percentage in the regular one category for both male and female becomes 94.87%.
87 percentage. Yeah.
So, yeah, over to you, Apurv.
So we have discussed the rankers, top pass. Sorry, we have discussed the passing percentage of regular 2 and regular 1. So
Correct.
now we should also talk about the that government policies and schemes, the government scholarship program, which we have shared with each other. Yeah. So I'll share the data with you, Simran.
Before Apurv opens, let's discuss the top performing girls in
Yeah.
the state. Okay, so number one is Leisha Agarwal. She's also topped the exam with 582 marks. Then we have Avilia Catherine P. Lingdo. I'm so sorry if you're pronouncing the names wrong.
Yes.
582 marks she has also scored. Then at number 3 in the girls category, we have Pori Pandey with 578 marks. Then at the fourth number, we have Anushmita Chaudhary with 576 marks. Then we have Yulogmin Rilin El Suiting with 576 marks. Number 6, we have Anamika Singh with 572 marks. Then we have Teshwa Grace Panktin. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. 570 marks. Then we have Esther D. Shira with 578 marks. Then we have Ranchita Paul with 569 marks. And at number 10, we have Nandini Kumari. She has also scored 569 marks. And with 569 marks, we have one more female candidate, that is Batshiba Chi Sangma. So, Apurv, I would request you to discuss the boys passing top performing boys category.
Yeah, Simran, sure. I'm just opening the document,
Please,
please. Yeah.
please. Yeah, here's the list.
Yeah. So this is the list of top performing boys in the state. So at first we have Ivansha Nongrum with 578 marks. At second we have Saurav Pandey with 576. At third we have Manderson Thongni with 570 marks. At fourth we have Mahir Aslam with 570 marks. And at fifth we have A. Arif Sheikh with 569 marks. Yeah, so these are the list of the top performing boys and girls in the state. So if we talk about the average, if we talk about the competition between the girls and boys, the girls have
As you saw,
performed.
Apurv, this year, like as we covered Goa also, we covered Bihar as well. Like we are constantly covering all the state board results, almost all the state board results for both class 10th and 12th. In Bihar also we saw a trend. In Goa also we saw the same trend. And now in Meghalaya also we are seeing girls are,
Outshining the boys.
outshining the boys, or you can say girls are not taking seriously, maybe that can be a wrong word, but girls are more, invested into education, or you can say they're taking it more seriously or something like that.
Yeah, I think, I mean, as you said, Simran, as you mentioned that we have covered Bihar results and Goa results also, and everywhere the girls have outperformed the boys. So
Correct.
this is a very good thing because in the good old days, girls were not given that much importance when it came to education. So it is a good thing that parents are coming out and giving the girls their preference,
The equal
yeah, equal
opportunities.
opportunities to girls as compared to boys. They're giving equal opportunities to, go out and have go out and access information, get knowledge, do something with their lives, build their careers. This is a
Correct.
very good thing, especially as I said, Meghalaya is in the northeastern states. It is a state with majority of SCs and STs, and girls are performing well in the state. This shows the commitment of the parents also, that the mindsets are changing. They are pushing their girls to go out and study, gain access, have access to information, knowledge, skills, etc. So this is a result of that.
Correct. And Apoor, I would like to add one more thing that, as, Northeast is a beautiful, you can say, division, or you can say, not division exactly, but not the entire Northeast is very beautiful. And this time, this, is reflecting in their marks also.
Yeah.
They have, brought up their talent, their skills in a better way, the students.
So the Northeast has always been, in the front of everything, be it sports or be it in the defense category. You see Northeastern people everywhere,
Correct.
especially the Seven Sisters in the Northeast. People, especially the youth from these states, are always motivated and well planned and well equipped, whatever you want to say. So this is a very good thing. They are well equipped, planned, well informed, well skilled. So this is the outcome of this. We are seeing the girls are shining the boys. Yeah.
Okay. So, any last piece of advice you would like to give our
Oh
viewers or
yes,
students?
yes. I have some advice for the students or my friends who are watching this. So first of all the best. Sorry, not all the best. All the best also for your future exams. First of all, congratulations to all the toppers and all the rank holders. Congratulations to them. Congratulations to those who were not able to hold any rank, but they have scored good. And to those who were not able to get that much of good marks, this was not your last exam. You should always be prepared for the next one. Keep your mind at peace. Always be well prepared for your exams. Don't hesitate. Feel free and all the best. And do check your results at JagranJosh.com.
Okay. So, as Apoorv already told, he mentioned almost everything, but I would like to add on about if you haven't passed your exam or you have failed in one or two subjects, you have an opportunity. Just utilize that, wait for the official notification for compartment exams, and even if you are not satisfied with your results, though you have passed in all the subjects, but then also you have an option called scrutiny or the re-evaluation process, through which you can get your papers rechecked, or the marking can be done again, or whatever the process is. Now, just keep an eye on the official updates and stay tuned with Jagran Josh for more such educational, career related, and current affairs and general knowledge videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.